We are back with our live studio audience from the JWPV Senior Center. Okay, question. How many of you know families that are struggling to put food on the table? Yeah, just about all of you. Okay. From collision and auto glass repair to auto care maintenance and repair, the Caliber family of brands is committed to servicing your vehicle, but they're also servicing our community. Caliber is working to put the brakes on childhood food insecurity. They're partnering with more than 130 food banks nationwide, including the country's largest, the Houston Food Bank. Michael Garfield is at Caliber Collision with more on their 12th annual Restoring You Food Drive. And Michael, food insecurity can happen anytime, but the summer break is particularly tough.
No, you are right, Deb. And I tell you what, I like what you did there with putting the brakes on insecurity for food. I can one up you on that one. We're going to see if we can step on the gas and see if we can escalate what they're doing over here. Good morning, everyone. We are indeed at Caliber Collision, one of the many across the entire city. I am here with Stefania Vasquez-Badillo. She is the Senior Manager of Regional Support for Caliber Auto Care, and Sean Crowell with the Houston Food Bank that so many of us are familiar with. Stefania, I'm going to start with you. So many of us, we drive by all of these Caliber locations. Tell us about the company, first of all.
Yeah, absolutely. So our purpose is to restore the rhythm of your life, and we do that across multiple ways. We can do anything from oil changes to fender vendors, auto glass repairs, and everything in between. So come see us, and we can definitely take care of you.
And it's not just the Caliber Collision. There's a whole family of brands.
Absolutely. So we have our Caliber Collision, Caliber Auto Cares, Caliber Auto Glass, and Caliber Fleet Solutions.
Yeah, so pretty much anything that you need with
Absolutely.
anything in the cars, you've got it done. It's more just about cars today. As Deborah talked at the front, it is about the food. This is something that Caliber does across the country. And this is the 12th year that you have done this for what's called the Restoring You Food Drive. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so we're actually underway right now on our Caliber food drive. And what we're doing is we're trying to raise 4 million donations and food across the nation. Right now in the Houston, we're partnering with the Houston Food Bank. And so we would love to encourage all of our customers to come out and donate.
Stephanie, another thing about the Houston Food Bank is something very special because you've worked with it so many years. I'm going to turn over here to Sean. Sean, Houston Food Bank, we're familiar with it, but for those who need a little bit more information, tell us about it.
Absolutely. So we are the largest food bank in the nation. We're really proud of that. We're just over 40 years old. We service 18 counties across Southeast Texas, and in those 18 counties, we have about 1,600 community partners. These are the ones we send the food out to, so that way people don't have to drive all the way out to the Houston Food Bank. They can find a partner in their area.
We talk about food insecurity. Explain what that is.
Absolutely. So according to Feeding America, over 22 million students, 22 million children are on the free and reduced lunch program. Over the summer, they don't really have access to those programs, so that's where we come in. That's why summer feeding program for us is huge.
No, it's a very big issue also. But how is Caliber, this is not the first time they've done this, how is Caliber making a specific difference with the food bank?
Absolutely. They are a huge partner of ours. We're so happy to have them for another year. I know last year alone, they did over 33,000 meals for the Houston Food Bank, so we're really excited to see what they can do this year.
Well, that is a lot of food, and we certainly want to get those numbers up and hit that goal. Stephanie, I'm going to turn back to, we talk about the local, you have 55 different locations over here, but this is a nationwide effort what Caliber's doing.
It is, yes. Last year alone, we raised over 24 million meals across the nation. We are partnering at this time and wanting to make sure that we go through May 26th, which is the end of our food drive. And we want to encourage everyone to come visit one of our 55 locations in the Houston area for Caliber Collision and Caliber Auto Care.
Right, that's about 15 days, so the time is a ticking. Last question, very important. How does the food drive work? How can we participate?
Yeah, so come on and visit us. You can donate any non-perishable items, and you can also donate online at caliberdonations.com. You can visit our website at caliber.com to find any location near you.
Anything else you want to sum it up with?
Yeah, we just want to thank our partners, customers, and teammates for their support in our food drive throughout the years. And we just want to make sure that you come out and see us and help us raise 4 million meals this year.
All right, well, you heard the goal right there. So we've got about 15 more days. It's caliberdonations.com. Check it out. To find a Caliber Collision or a Caliber Auto Care Center, to drop off your non-perishable food item, visit caliber.com. And you can also make that online donation by visiting caliberdonations.com. Stefania, Sean, thank you for being here. And also, Deb, like I said before, let's all step on that gas and really help out this great cause, why don't we?
All right. Well, Mike, thank you for steering us in the right direction.